Welcome to Starbike, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. From the latest bike reviews to in-depth analyses, we bring you the best of the biking world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with all our content. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated release 9Es of the year, the 2025 Honda CBR Zone 1000R. Known for its perfect blend of power, technology, and iconic styling, this bike has a lot to offer. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just a motorcycle enthusiast, this video will give you everything you need to know about Honda's latest beast on the road. Let's begin by exploring its roots and the evolution of the Honda CBR series. The Honda CBR series is a name that has been etched in the hearts of motorcycling fans for decades. It all began in the late 1980s with the introduction of the first CBR models, which revolutionized the sports bike segment. Honda aimed to create motorcycles that were not only powerful and fast, but also reliable and accessible to a broader range of riders. Over the years, the CBR lineup has expanded, offering everything from entry-level options like the CBR 500R to high-performance monsters like the CBR 1000R Fireblade. The CBR Zone 1000R is a relatively new addition to this legendary lineup, first launched a few years ago to compete in the hyper-naked category. It combined the raw power of a superbike with the comfort and practicality of a naked design. By 2025, Honda has taken this model to a whole new level, incorporating cutting-edge technology and design improvements to keep it ahead of the competition. So, what's new with the 2025 Honda CBR Zone 1000R? Let's start with its design and styling. The 2025 model features an aggressive yet refined look. Honda has sharpened the lines, giving it a more aerodynamic silhouette, while retaining its muscular stance. The bike is fitted with full LED lighting, a signature headlamp design, and improved aerodynamics that not only enhance performance, but also make it a visual standout. The color options are bold and modern, including classic Honda red, a sleek matte blue. Under the hood, the CBR Zone 1000R is powered by a 998cc inline-4 engine, producing a staggering 160 horsepower and 110 Nm of torque. This engine is derived from the CBR Brone 1000R, but has been tuned for more mid-range torque, making it ideal for both city commuting and spirited weekend rides. Paired with a quick shifter and a slipper clutch, the bike offers a seamless riding experience. But power is nothing without control, and Honda has equipped the 2025 CBR Zone 1000R with a host of advanced rider aids. These include a state-of-the-art traction control system, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, and even a wheelie control system. All of these can be adjusted through the bike's new 5-inch TFT display, which provides a wealth of information and customizable settings. The chassis and suspension are another highlight. Honda has used a lightweight aluminium frame for improved handling, while the Showa suspension ensures a smooth and stable ride. The front features fully adjustable forks, and the rear gets a monoshock setup. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the bike feels planted and responsive. Now let's talk about pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda CBR Zone 1000R is priced at approximately $14,999 in the US, with slight variations depending on the market. Considering the performance and technology on offer, it's positioned competitively against rivals like the Yamaha MT-10 and the Kawasaki ZH-2. Pre-orders have already begun, and the bike is expected to hit dealerships in early 2025. For riders looking to customize their experience, Honda also offers a range of official accessories, including performance exhaust systems, heated grips, luggage options, and more. Finally, who is the CBR Zone 1000R for? If you're someone who loves the thrill of a superbike but values the comfort and practicality of a naked bike, this is an excellent choice. It's a bike that can handle a track day just as easily as a long-distance tour, thanks to its versatile design and advanced features. Honda has always been known for its reliability, and the CBR Zone 1000R continues that tradition, offering a bike that's not just exciting, but also dependable. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 Honda CBR Zone 1000R. What do you think about this new release? Does it live up to the legacy of the CBR series, or would you go for one of its competitors? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow bike enthusiast. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Starbike for more of the reviews, comparisons, and biking adventures. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.